So here's how you can close tabs on an Android phone, and let me explain that. If it's your first time on a Foxtecc, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, of course, you have the ability to just go to the multitasking view and like swipe away all of the tabs slash windows, but you can as well see the close all button. So if you mean just that, this is going to close all of your open tabs sort of away. So that's how you can make it work. Outside of that, if you mean, for example, the browser tabs, a lot of people use Google Chrome. In that case, you can as well just open up any tab, just go to the all tabs view, and you can click on the tabs with the X button to close them or swipe them away one by one, or you can as well tap the three dots and click on all close all tabs. So that would be another thing which you can do in here. Outside of that, you can see that we also have the inactive tabs, which are those which I used before or which I haven't interacted with for 21 days. These are put in here into this like inactive tabs folder, and they are going to be closed after 3 months. So you can change the settings when you go to the settings app and decide that these are going to show up in here after 14 days or 7 days, whatever the setting it's going to be. But this is another way how you can manage your inactive or how you can close tabs on Android. So in here you can as well click on the close all button and basically put them all away. So that is how it generally works. Of course, if you have a different web browser, it might be slightly different, but this is the general blueprint behind this. So I hope it makes sense. In case of any further questions, just like always, leave them below in the comments, but I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads too.